Sairam, everyone. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, good. If I am not audible to anyone, leave the meeting and rejoin again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you wait for some time. Let me take your attendance first. Wait.
मैम मैम
Wait,
आप
wait, wait,
आपने
wait,
कितने
wait.
चैप्टर्स पढ़ा दिए? एक्चुअली मैं मैथ्स की क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रही थी, दो मतलब।
No problem. Wait, beta, wait.
Ma'am.
You wait for 1 minute, beta. Let me take your attendance first, and then we will discuss.
मैंने प्रोजेक्ट भेज दिया।
Okay, beta. I have checked, beta. I have checked. You have to send your project work, or you can say that survey analysis, in class WhatsApp group. Don't send on my personal window. Okay, beta?
ओके
मैम मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है।
Okay, beta. Okay, wait.
मैम जैसे अपन फाइल बनाते हैं A4 शीट
Yes,
की,
beta.
वैसे ही बनानी है क्या सर्वे की फाइल भी?
Yes, beta. 100%.
ओके मैम। मैम मैं आपको आज शाम तक भेज दूं?
No problem. Of course, beta. No problem.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Day after tomorrow will be the last day of submission.
मैम रात में भेज सकते हैं।
Oh, yes, beta. No problem. Okay, so I hope you have completed survey, or some part is left. How many of you have completed?
मैम कौन सी मैम मैं
Okay,
मैम
no
मैं
problem. Okay.
मैम मैंने
मैम मेरा
Good. Okay, so are you prepared for today's test? Are you?
मैम आपके क्विज होगी
Yes,
गर्ल्स वर्सेस
quiz and test, MCQ test both.
मैम आप कौन से सर्वे की बात कर रहे हैं?
Project survey, beta. We discussed about it day before yesterday. In my previous class, we have discussed. So what we will do today is, first let's have a quick revision of that chapter, decimal. Okay, so let me share my screen first. We will discuss that chapter, and for that I have prepared some slides.
गूगल
Yes,
फॉर्म
beta.
होगा।
मैम यू आर
मैम आज गूगल फॉर्म होगा।
Yes, beta. Last.
मैम योर
screen
is visible।
मैम यू
First,
आर नॉट
मैम
ऑडिबल।
फाइनल गूगल फॉर्म।
am I audible clearly, beta?
मैम यू आर ऑडिबल क्लियरली।
Beta, if I am not okay, good. If I am not audible to anyone, just to leave this meeting and rejoin again. Hurry up. Okay, beta?
मैम आज फाइनल गूगल फॉर्म होगा।
No, beta. It's just a trial test, just for revision.
ओके
Just for
मैम।
revision. First, we will revise this chapter again, and after that, there will be a quiz based on this chapter only, and at last, there will be MCQ test in Google form. Okay?
ओके मैम।
So which topic we have to revise? Decimal. Listen it carefully.
डेसिमल।
So first, what is decimal? Decimal, just we will give an example. Suppose 46.37. This is an example of decimal. So any decimal number, any decimal number is divided into two parts. First part is 46 and second part is 46.37. This is whatever written just before decimal point is known as whole number part, or you can say that it is an integral part. Decimal के just पहले जो भी होता है that is integral part, and whatever written just after decimal point is known as decimal part. So any decimal number is divided into two parts. First whole number part, or you can say that integral part, and second one is decimal part, and this is known as decimal point. Okay, and how will you read it? 46.37. Clear beta? Now their places, ध्यान से देखो, 6 किस place में है? 6 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, and just after decimal, whatever written first number, this one first digit, this is tens place, TENTHS, tens place, and 7 is in which place? It is in
hundredth place.
yes, hundredth place, tens place, और decimal के पहले ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. ये होता है tens, th लगा देते हैं, th लग गया देखो, hundreds, thousands and so on. ठीक है? Next, we have already done these concepts. It's just a simple revision. Now next, read the whole number part. You can read any decimal number in 4 parts. जैसे मान लो 46.37. अब कैसे देखो 4 parts कैसे हुए? Number 1 46. Just before decimal point, what is written? 46. 46. जो point है इसको लिख सकते हैं and 46 and 3700. ध्यान से देखना ऐसा क्यों रीड करते हैं. अब जैसे मान लो ये 46. Let me select pen first. 46, simply you have to read 46 and after decimal point, that is in decimal part, what is written? 0.37. So how many digits are just after decimal point? How many digits?
Two
digits are there. So in fraction form, you can write 37 upon 100. Can you write 0.37 is 37 upon 100? Arya, can you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose 0.3 है आपका, सिर्फ 0.3, तो 3 upon 10, because after decimal there is one digit. If after decimal there is one digit, it means this can be written as 3 upon 10. एक digit होगा, so you can put 1 0, 1 followed by 1 0. यदि decimal के बाद 2 digits होंगे, then 1 followed by 2 zeros, यानी 100 लिखेंगे. Suppose कहीं पे लिखा हो 0.314. How many digits are just after decimal? Count. 3. So in fraction form, you can write 314,000.
Upon 1,000.
Very good. Upon 1,000. अच्छा, if upon 1,000, तो आप लिख सकते हो, क्या लिखोगे इसको? 314,000. अब जैसे यहाँ पे देखो क्या है? 0.37, 2 digit, तो 37 upon 100, इसलिए यहाँ लिखा 3700. जब अपॉन में 100 होगा, सो 100th. यदि इंटू में 100 है, हंड्रेड्स. अपॉन में हंड्रेड्स, इंटू में हंड्रेड्स. तो यहाँ पर है अपॉन 100, सो यू कैन राइट 3700. इसको कैसे रीड करेंगे? 46, जहां पॉइंट हो उसको लिख दो एंड 3700. ये फर्स्ट मेथड. सेकेंड टाइप, हाउ कैन यू रीड? सिंपली यू रीड 46.37. So there are two methods, two types. You can read any decimal number. First one, simply 46.37. Second, 46 and 3700. If you take another example, suppose if I take 20, is it visible beta? Whatever I am writing, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
23.3. Now you have to read this decimal. Then you can read it in two ways. Number one, first one, 23.3. Simply 23.3. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. Second way, 23 and 3 complete.
10th.
Very good. 23 and 3 tenths. Now we take another example. Suppose 10.563. First method, how can you read this number? 10.563.
10.563.
Okay, second method. 10.
10 decimal.
No,
10
10 and
10 and 563.
563.
1000.
No, 563 thousands. Don't say upon 100. Don't say upon 1000. If upon 1000, it means thousands. So 10 and 563 thousands. Clear, beta? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, last example. 1.235. Read this number. Read. 1 and
Ma'am, 1 and 235
200, 235 thousands. Don't write 235. 235 thousands. First method.
ये तो डेसिमल के साइड है ना.
नहीं, 1 just before decimal. What is written? 1. इसको simply लिख देंगे 1 and 235 thousands. Clear? Second method. जल्दी सेकंड वे कैसे रीड करेंगे? 1 point complete with
235.
Yes, 1.235. Now, okay, last example. Arush, for you. Arush Jain. Arush,
Yes,
am I audible? Okay, beta. Question for you. 22.102. Okay, read this decimal number. How will you read?
23.102 by 1000.
My first method is 23.102. First method.
Yes.
Second method, how will you read? Second method?
23.102 by.
No. Don't say point.
Ma'am, 23 and 102 thousand.
Second method.
23 and 102 thousand.
Yes, thousand. Correct. 23 and 102 thousands. Okay, good. Clear. Now, next slide. A decimal is just another. Wait, beta. Wait. At last, wait for some time. Okay, so 0.7 is 7/10. You already 0.7 means
7/10.
yes. Wait, karo beta. Let me select 10 first. 0.7 means 7/10. Okay. 1.29 means. How will you read 1.29? 1 and 29 hundredths. Correct? And 1.29 can be written as 1 and 29 upon 100. You can write it in mixed fraction. You know what is the meaning of mixed fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 1.29.
Mixture of a whole number and a fraction.
If you want to write 1.29 in mixed fraction, how will you write? Simply just before decimal, means in whole number part, whatever written you write here. And in decimal part, 29 upon 100. So 1 whole 29 upon 100. So you can write any decimal in mixed fraction form. Okay? Okay, now next. Let me delete this part. Okay, so you have to write 8.3 as a mixed number. 8.3 as a mixed number. So just before decimal, what is written? 8. And in decimal part, what is written? 3. And 3 means which place? 3/10. So 8 whole 3 upon 10. Is it clear? 8 whole 3 upon 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now one question for Atisha. Am I audible, Atisha?
May I answer? Okay, ma'am.
No. Okay. Now question for you. If you want to write 23.25 in mixed fraction form, how will you write? Mixed fraction form, mixed number. You have to convert this decimal number into mixed number. Any one of you can give answer. Anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, 23 by 25 by 100.
23 whole bolo beta. Instead of saying 23 by 23 whole, 25 by 100. Yes, correct. Bilkul correct. Good. Now next question for Gaurik. Are you there, Gaurik?
Yes, ma'am.
Question for you. 9.5. You have to write this decimal number as a mixed number. How will you write? 9.5.
9, 5 upon
Yes.
10.
9 whole 5 upon 10. Yes, correct. 9 whole 5 upon 10. Yes, correct. Good. Okay, now next slide. Equivalent. ध्यान से देखना. What is the meaning of equivalent rational number? You have done equivalent decimal number. Equivalent decimal number means suppose 0. So let me change this color. 0.1 is one decimal and 0.10 is another decimal. These two decimals are known as equivalent decimal. Why these two are equivalent decimal? Because 0.1 can be written as 0.10. After decimal number, any decimal number, you can put any number of zeros. यानी आपका जो नंबर लिखा उसके बाद आप कितने भी जीरो लगा सकते हो. वैसे भी देखो 0.1 में इसको कैसे रीड करेंगे? 1/10. कैन यू रीड 1/10? इज इट करेक्ट? 1/10.
Yes, ma'am.
और इसमें भी क्या है बताओ? 1/10. 1/10. ये भी है 1/10. आप इस जीरो हटा दो. चलो सिंपली राइट 0.1. दिस इज 1/10. 1/10 मीन्स 1/10. अब मान लो 0.10. सो क्या रीड करेंगे? 10/100. 10/100. जस्ट मैंने भी बताया था. आफ्टर डेसिमल हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स? How many digits? 2. 2 means you want to write this decimal number into fraction form, then how will you write? 10/100. लिखेंगे 10/100? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because there are 2 digits after decimal. So 10 cancel. Finally, you will get 1/10. So this is 1/10. This is 1/10. It means these two values are same. So these are known as equivalent decimal number.
Decimals.
Similarly, suppose one example is 0.25 and one is 0.25.
0.250.
0.25. You want to write it in fraction form. How will you write 25/100?
100.
Very good. And if you want to write this in decimal form, how will you?
Ma'am, 25/1000.
250/1000.
250 upon 1000.
250/1000.
कैंसिल
And you cancel 25/100, 25/100. It means both are same. So you can say that these two are equivalent decimal number. Correct, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो गुड. ये ऑलरेडी बेटा हमने किया हुआ है, इसलिए फटाफट रिवाइज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज कंपेयरिंग. Comparing means how can you compare which one is greater and which one is smaller. It's very important concept, beta. Listen it carefully. Comparison means suppose two decimal numbers are given. Suppose you can take this example only. First one is 3.42 and second one is 3.47. And you want to determine which one is greater and which one is smaller. First, what you have to do, you have to compare that number which are written on integral part, or you can say that in whole number part. Decimal के just पहले whatever written, जो भी लिखा है, you have to compare that one. What is written just before decimal? What is written?
3.
What is written?
In both the side 3.
Both are equal, or which one is greater?
Both are equal.
Both are equal.
So it means if these two are equal, then you have to compare जस्ट 10th प्लेस डिजिट। पहले हम इंटीग्रल पार्ट चेक करेंगे, इसके बाद यदि दोनों इक्वल मिल गए देन वी हैव टू कंपेयर 10th प्लेस डिजिट। अब 10th प्लेस में विच वन इज ग्रेटर? 4 4। विच वन इज ग्रेटर?
Both are equal.
बोथ आर इक्वल। यहाँ भी इक्वल, यहाँ भी इक्वल। कम टू नेक्स्ट प्लेस। नेक्स्ट प्लेस मीन्स आफ्टर 10th you will get 100th place. In 100th place, what is written here?
2.
What is written here in second decimal number?
7.
Which one is greater?
7.
जिस प्लेस में ग्रेटर मिल जाए वो नंबर ग्रेटर। सो 3.47 is greater than, you know this is sign of greater, मालूम है सबको? You all know?
Yes, ma'am.
3.42. So you can say that 3.47 is greater than 3.42. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Now next, wait.
मैम आप टेस्ट ले लीजिए।
Wait बेटा, wait.
मैम प्लीज, हमारे लाइट चली गई इसलिए वो नहीं है, परसेंट नहीं है मेरे मोबाइल में।
Wait बेटा, still 20 minutes चाले बेटा। Next, you all know how to add numbers. You all know how to add numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
एडिंग तो सबको मालूम है, कैसे एड करते हैं शॉर्ट में देख लो। एडिंग में क्या करना है आपको? 3.5, आप इसको 2.1 से ऐड करना है, तो जस्ट पॉइंट एक दूसरे के पास रखेंगे। 3 के जस्ट नीचे वंस प्लेस, वंस के जस्ट नीचे वंस, 10th के जस्ट नीचे 10th, बस ऐड कर दो। 5 + 1 6, 3 + 2 5, and suppose in place of 2.1 here is 2.6, then how will you add? 5 + 6 11, 5 + 6 11, 1 कैरी, ये 1 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा। 3 2 5 and 1 कैरी 6, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 6.1। क्लियर बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now similarly you can do subtraction, same subtraction भी ऐसे ही करना है। And at last this question, ध्यान से देखना, word problem, it's very important बेटा, ध्यान से देखना इसको। Karen rode her bicycle 5.65 miles. John rode 3.16 miles. How much farther did Karen ride? क्वेश्चन क्लियर है? करेन ने कितनी बाइसिकल, कितने मील्स तक उसने राइड किया? 5.65। और जॉन ने कितना किया? 3.16। आपको इन दोनों को कंपेयर करना है। हाउ मच फार्दर डिड करेन राइड, यानी जो करेन था उसने दूसरे के कंपैरिजन में, जॉन के कंपैरिजन में कितना ज्यादा उसने राइड किया, आपको कंपेयर करना देना। अच्छा एक चीज बताओ, 5.65 3.16, विच वन इज ग्रेटर? विच नंबर, विच डेसिमल नंबर?
5.65.
5.65। यानी इसका मतलब करेन जो है उसने ज्यादा बाइसिकल चलाई एज कंपेयर टू जॉन। उसने कितना ज्यादा राइड किया, दिस यू हैव टू फाइंड। क्या करेंगे आप बताओ?
मैम उन दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे। मैम वो करण का निकल जाएगा।
यस
और फार देना।
5.65 3.16। आप ध्यान रखना है, स्टार्ट कहाँ से करते हैं सब्ट्रैक्शन? या लास्ट प्लेस से, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं। डेसिमल वाले के यहाँ से मैं करना, इंटीग्रल पार्ट से, डेसिमल पार्ट से स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो 5 - 6 नॉट पॉसिबल टू सब्ट्रैक्ट, तो इससे 1 कैरी ले लेंगे, क्योंकि हम 15 - 6 कितना हो गया? 15 - 6 9। अब यहाँ कितना बचा? 5 5 - 1 4, तो सबको मालूम 5 - 3 2, तो आंसर कितना आ गया? 2.49 माइल्स। क्लियर बेटा?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, गुड। So I hope this have helped you with your revision. Now next, before MCQ test, let's have a quiz first. Girls versus boys. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So first, you should know about rules of the quiz. Number 1, 30 seconds for one question. Okay. Number 2, first answer will be the final answer. Correct? And number 3, if question is asked for girls, only girls will give answer. Boys will not give answer. Otherwise 0 mark will be given to them, and vice versa. Boys के लिए same rule and same rule is for girls also. Clear beta? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
One
ma'am.
quiz will be
Okay, ma'am.
There is no passing round. Yes beta?
मैम ऊपर एक्सटेंड का बटन दबाइए.
Okay. Any one of you can give. Any one of you can give. No problem.
मैम एक्सटेंड का बटन दबाइए ऊपर.
Wait beta. Wait.
मैम एक्सटेंड बटन दबाइए.
नो बेटा, वो मैंने जानबूझ के किया. वेट करो. वेट. लेट मी सिलेक्ट. यहीं पे बना लेते हैं क्विज. चलो ओके. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर बॉयज ग्रुप. हाँ, क्वेश्चन फॉर यू बॉयज. How will 23 and 7 10th be written as decimal? Hurry up.
ऑप्शन डी. मैम ऑप्शन डी. मैम बी.
Okay. B. Fine. B. Let me submit.
मैम
Yes, beta. Wait.
मैम लास्ट ऑप्शन.
Wait, beta.
लास्ट ऑप्शन.
Let me log in again, beta. Wait. Wait. Let me log in again, beta. Okay. Now I have changed question. Which decimal number? Question for boys group. Which decimal number is illustrated in the model below?
Ma'am 0.03. It's B. Yes,
B.
ma'am. 0.
मैम B 0.03.
Okay, let me check.
मैम B. मैम आपने क्वेश्चन तो सेलेक्ट ही नहीं करा आंसर.
हाँ, you are saying B1. Okay, let me submit. Yes, correct answer. So 2 marks. One question is for 2 marks. Okay. So boys group and girls group. 2 marks for boys. Now next question is for girls. Question for you. Which decimal number is illustrated in the model below? Girls, fast. Girls, hurry up, beta. Question for you. Time over. No marks.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Of course. Marks will not be given, but you can. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, answer number 3, ma'am, 0.9.
0.9. Okay.
0.
Submit this answer. 0.9. Select and submit. Yes, correct. Girls. Try
0.
in your account, beta. Now again question for boys. Hurry up. Which decimal number is illustrated in the model below?
मैं 1.03.
But first answer will be the final answer. Let me check. Submit. No, it's wrong.
Ma'am, answer is D.
Ma'am 1.3.
Okay.
Okay. Again, let me submit. D1 is correct, but you will not get any mark because first answer is the final answer. I have already told you. The first one will be the final answer. So you will not get any mark. Now question for girls. Girls, are you ready, beta? Yes or no? Any one of you give
Yes,
reply?
ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Which decimal number is illustrated in the model below? Read this question carefully and try to give correct answer.
2.3. 2.3.
Okay,
2.3.
let me check. Wait. Yes, correct answer. Correct. So 2 marks for girls. Good.
2 all.
Good. Now next question is for boys again. Boys group, are you ready?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. In the number this, at which place is the digit 8?
100.
Ma'am, 100.
100.
100.
And submit. Yes, correct. Good. 2 marks again for boys group. Now next question is again for girls group. Girls, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This, at which place is the digit 9?
10th.
Then 10.
10th. C.
Okay,
Ma'am,
let me
C.
submit this answer. Yes, correct. Good.
Ma'am, C.
So 2 marks for girls group. Good. Now next question for boys group. Which decimal number is illustrated in the model below?
Ma'am 1.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am, 100.5.
5 D.
Let me check. Wait. Yes, correct. Very good. So 2 marks again for boys group. Good, beta. Now last question for girls. Last question. Which digit is at the 10th place in the number this?
5. 5.
5.
C.
Yes, let me select this and submit. Yes, correct. So 2 marks for girls. Add 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Who is the winner?
Ma'am, both are equal.
Ma'am, tie.
Ma'am, tie.
Good.
Ma'am, boys.
No. How can you say that boys are the winner? 6th class is the winner. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Good.
ma'am.
Now it's
Ma'am, boys जीते.
homework time.
Ma'am, boys जीते.
Ma'am, Google form.
Wait, beta. Now you do one thing. Listen, beta. These are some questions for homework. You simply take screenshots of these questions one by one. And I will check these questions on Wednesday, day after tomorrow.
Taken.
Taken. Very good. Now next
Ma'am,
question.
next.
Take screenshot.
Ma'am, taken.
Good. Again, it's very important question.
Ma'am, taken.
मैम ले लिया.
Last question.
Ma'am, taken.
मैम ले लिया.
Good. Taken, beta? You all have taken?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now it's time for
Google form. Google form.
yes. Now
Ma'am, how many questions?
आप देखो, खुद देखो, वेट करो.
Ma'am, how many minutes?
Wait, beta. Wait.
Ma'am, the previous one is so short.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please give some bigger.
Wait, beta, wait.
Ma'am, time is 5
Now
minutes.
time limit. Listen carefully, beta. Now let me check what all you have learned from today's class. Time limit exactly 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will stop accepting your responses. Okay. So within 5 minutes, you have to submit your responses. Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
how many questions
Just
in
now
Google
I
Form?
have one link in your chat box. Open this link and start solving. Hurry up fast. Start solving. It's 12:37. I will stop accepting your responses after 12:42. Only 4 minutes are left. After submitting a response, you write submitted in chat box. Should I send it again, Akshat?
Yes, ma'am.
Again I am sending. Okay, now you check, open, try to open it. There must be some network problem. Again you try to open.
मैम मेरा खुल नहीं रहा. मैम मेरा खुल नहीं रहा.
मैम आप एक बार और भेज दीजिए।
Okay, beta. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, again I have sent, beta.
मैम ओपन हो गया।
Okay, good, good, good. Submitted. Priyatam has written submitted. Okay, good, beta. Samarth Singh, beta, try to resolve your problem. Every time you face the same problem. There must be some setting problem in your mobile. Okay. So before this final Google form test, try to resolve your problem.
मैम थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है मैम, थोड़ा
मैम
टाइम
खुल नहीं रहा. मैम मैं क्या करूं?
You do one thing, beta. You try to contact Santosh sir. He will resolve your problem. Don't worry. Angel submitted. Very good. Okay, let me check your responses. Wait. Okay, I received 10 responses. Very good. Now let's see how you all have performed. Wait, beta. So first question, this. Out of 12 responses, 10 responses are correct. Okay, out of 13, 11 responses are correct. It means 84.6% responses are correct. In second question, 61 point out of 13, only 8 responses are correct. Means 8 have given correct answers out of 13. So simple question, beta. Just now we discussed this one. Now in third question, out of 14, 9 responses are correct. It means only 42.9% students have given correct responses. So you can check your responses. Now in this question, fourth one, out of 15, only 8 responses are correct. Simply, you have to convert this as kilometer using decimal. 56.3% responses are correct. And how many of you have submitted? Priyatam, Akhil, Devansh, Angel, Arush, Atishay, Pratyusham and Rhythm. These students have submitted their responses.
Ma'am, I have also submitted.
Who beta?
मैम मैंने भी किया.
Yes beta, yes.
Ma'am, I also.
Wait. Devanshi, Rani, Bhavya, Akshat, Gaurik, Prince, Sanskriti, Saloni, Rhythm. Yes.
मैम कंप्लीटेड एक्चुअली मैं
received
लीव हो
any
गई थी मेरा
responses?
नेटवर्क इश्यू से.
Who
मैम
has network issue? Who beta?
मैम एक्चुअली मेरा कंप्लीट हो गया. मेरा वो आ
मैम,
गया
मैंने
क्या
भी-
नेम. एक्चुअल में वो गया था नेटवर्क इश्यू में लीव.
No problem. It's okay beta. It's okay. कोई बात नहीं. So it's 12:42. Now
Ma'am,
I will.
submitted.
Okay, good. Now I have stopped accepting your responses because time over. So now you can see your scores. These are marks scored by you. Priyatam 8 out of 10. Akhil 3. Devansh 5. Angel 3. Who got the highest marks? Atishay 10 out of 10. Pratyusham 10 out of 10. Then Sanskriti 10 out of 10. And Rani 10 out of 10. Himanshu 10 out of 10. Arush 8, second highest 8. 8 Gaurik. Then ठीक है चलो. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Then 5, 6. 6 students have scored full marks. Okay. Good beta. चलो.
मेरा सबमिट नहीं हुआ.
Now it will not be possible for you to submit beta because I have stopped accepting your responses.
मैम टाइम कम था मैम इसलिए मेरे को कम मार्क्स आए.
मैम
Again there will be MCQ test. Okay beta?
मैम
So
फाइनल
time
कब होगा नेक्स्ट क्लास में?
after 1 week beta. Still you have
मैम.
1 topic
मैम क्या?
left.